Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java OOP. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is a fundamental paradigm in Java. It helps organize your code into reusable modular components. We'll start by exploring the four pillars of OOP: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Mastering these concepts is crucial for writing efficient and maintainable Java applications. Let's dive into the basics of classes and objects. Next, let's delve into encapsulation and inheritance. Encapsulation is like a protective shield, bundling data and methods within a single unit, often a class. It uses access modifiers such as private and public to control what parts of your code can interact with the data. Inheritance, on the other hand, enables code reuse. A new class can inherit fields and methods from an existing class, promoting a hierarchical structure and reducing redundancy in your projects. Now, let's explore polymorphism and abstraction. Polymorphism, meaning many forms, allows objects to take on different behaviors depending on their type. This is often seen through method overloading and overriding, providing flexibility in your code. Abstraction focuses on showing only necessary information and hiding the complex background details. You can achieve this using abstract classes and interfaces, which define a contract for other classes to follow, simplifying complex systems. Finally, the best way to master Java OOP is through consistent practice. Start by building small applications, perhaps a simple banking system or a library management tool, to apply all four principles. Engage in coding challenges that specifically test your understanding of encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Regularly review and refactor your code to enhance its object-oriented design. Collaborating with others on projects can also provide valuable insights and accelerate your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.